I decided to put a carport on the side of the house here. The first thing you got to do is lay out your string line so you know exactly where your posts are going. So those are sonotubes. We're going to be mounting 6x6s on top. I'll show you how it's done. You have to make sure these things are packed in well. You don't want any shifting. Now unfortunately, because of where I am, we've only got 2 feet, well 26 inches before I hit bedrock. There's nothing I can do. You should be down below frost line with any of this stuff, but basically there's no way I'm going to get below frost line with the equipment I got. So yesterday was plus 38. Today is 18. I mean, what the freaking hell's going on, eh? Wow. So the game plan is you backfill a bit and check your levels, eh? Not bad. Not bad. Always compact the soil around your sonotubes, man. See, a lot of people don't do that. It's a dumb move. Compact it the best you can. The sonotubes are in play. String line. Now I'm going to fill them with cement, and then we'll put the saddles in and let them set. So these are all level and ready to go. So all I'll have to do is wait another maybe 20 hours or so, and then I can put the 4x4s up, 6x6s up. Take that off and show you what's going on. There's the saddle, the cement's, yeah, it's hardened up. Not yet, but it's getting there, which is great. In the interim, what I did was I put up my ledger board here. Now that's where my rafters are going to be coming off of, right here. And what I've done is I've actually anchored it in multiple spots, obviously, into the 2x6s, which are part of the building, and into the siding. You'll see the rafter hangers are all up. They're actually joist hangers, but there's, in this particular case, there's 13 of them right across. That's great. Okay, we're on to the next thing, which is setting up the beams. What are you doing, man? Oh boy. Okay, the main support beams are now up. These cross braces I had to go with this system here. So this is the saddle system. I can't stand the saddle system. I hate it. I really truly hate it. I wish I could have put the poles right in the ground, but I can't do it because I don't have the depth. I just simply don't. Because I hit bedrock. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So those supports will come down. This is my first crossbar. There'll be another one saddled beside it right here. Once I get my ridge done. The ridge, what I mean is the rafters. So that's the next step. Alrighty, here we go. Okay, in order to get the angle for the rafters, which this is the rafter, I love this tool here. This tool is incredible. This is old. It was my father's. Anyway, you can still buy them. They find every angle you want. You just have to set it up right. Regardless, the point is scab on onto your real wood. Scab on a piece of junk wood, if you will, because this stuff's expensive, right? And then scribe your angle, as I've done here, as you can see, right? And then now you have to do your bird's mouth here, right? So this one is scrap. What that means is that this will be my template. If I screw this up, no big deal. Okay, this is where I've got so far. I rehooked up the light and the rafters are done. I got the support beam here, it's all finished. And now all I have to do is do a roof. Beauties, man. Pretty solid. Yep. And yes, the car will fit under it. Good. What I'm hoping to do actually is hang my canoe here, so I can drop it right on top of the Subi. I don't know if I can. I don't know if I have the room. We'll see. Measure it up. Well, here we are, day 3 of the build of this carport. I'll be adding gravel to this. Bury those sonos, the sono tubes. So the framing's all done, which is great. Last night, late last night, well, 8:30, 9 o'clock, it was dark. I stained the bottom of the roof sheathing, just because it's OSB, oriented strand board. It'll be covered with metal roofing. So today's job is to get it up there and get it all set up. The fascia board that I put up yesterday on this carport, I'm not happy with it. I don't like it. So I went out and bought a solid 16 piece. So what it is, it's 1 by 6 by 16. We'll take this off and we'll get that other one put up. That'll be great. Then it'll look good. Yeah, sometimes you just gotta redo things. Anyway, it's all good. Here we go. So that little trick is you just tack a little board underneath your eaves, your ridge. Oh my God, underneath your rafters, right? And then this piece sits on top, just like that. You can slide it whichever way you want, and you can take care of it that way. It's all good. Well, today's job is to get this pit run gravel under there. Smooth it out, spread it out, tamp it down, and we should be good to go. Yeah, let's get at it. Whitey the squirrel has been hanging around. I'll be back in a second. But, yeah, and I should be able to do the roofing, well, hopefully next week. It's all good. Okay, I've flattened down the first run of, this is called pit run gravel. It's full of boulders and all kinds of stuff, but it's great for a base, right? It may be my permanent, I don't know yet. What I'm going to do now is sift it. So I'm using my old, this used to be a baseball diamond groomer set. And yeah, anyway, I've used it for snow grooming forever, like for probably 20, 25 years. Regardless, the point being is I'm going to use that as a sift. Let's see if it works. It's working. I figured out this sieve idea. It's working. It's working good. Well, that's it. I put down 5 tons of pit run gravel. Sand mixed with rocks, basically. I'm going to put that down as the base here. And I know you can't see it because the contrast sucks, but anyway, so I got it all built up. It looks great around the posts. And then I leveled out the driveway here a bit. And yeah, we're good to go. All I need now is, the last thing is the roof. That'll be it. Yahoo. Okie dokie, signing off.